Want to stream endless IPTV content on your Roku TV? Let's dive into how to do it. First, let's ensure you have a premium IPTV service. We recommend checking out this fantastic provider. Next, confirm that your Roku device is connected to your network. Open the settings to verify the connection. Once connected, you'll need a secondary device, a computer or smartphone. Either will work. Now, search for IPTV management applications. These apps allow Roku to integrate with IPTV services. Once downloaded, proceed to install the application. Follow the prompts for seamless installation. Log into the app with credentials provided by your IPTV service. This unlocks access to channels. Now, set up your playlist. This will organize your TV channels in an easily accessible format. Return to your Roku device and launch the IPTV app. This ensures everything is synced correctly. Navigate to your favorite channels using the remote. Enjoy fast, seamless streaming with IPTV. If you face any hiccups, always ensure both device and app are up to date. This avoids issues. Don't forget, high-quality IPTV services sometimes provide 24/7 customer support for guidance. Encourage your tech-savvy friends to try this process. It changes how you watch television. Remember, engaging experiences always start with both the right devices and services. Upgrade your streaming game today with high-quality IPTV services. Unlock entertainment's potential. Catch the wave of IPTV integration. Elevate your viewing moments like never before. Hit subscribe